Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Twitter. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Twitter or X application here. Let's say you mistakenly block someone and now you want to unblock it. What you have to do is you just have to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner and then tap on this profile option, the first one here. You have to scroll down a bit. You can see this option, settings and support. Tap on this drop down and go for this settings and privacy. Now here you can see these options here. Scroll down a bit and tap on this privacy and safety, and now you can see these options. Tap on this mute and block, and here you have to choose this first option, block accounts. Now you will see all the accounts you have blocked, and now to unblock you have to tap on this red button, blocked. And now as you can see, you unblock this person, and now as you can see, I don't have any person on this block list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.